everything's in there, you are supposed to add a little bit of water, not much, so you put the blender in. Just a little. Okay. Hey, Mommy, ¿cuánto agua? Okay, so there it is, all together. And so, most importantly, remember this. You put on the top and make sure it's really good on, that it won't come off when you're blending. So, I'll just set you right there. Put the top on really tight so it won't come off. Oops. Okay. And so it's right there. Okay. And I think it's really good. Just to make sure, I'm gonna leave you right here for a bit. Okay, and so you put it on the blender. Okay, and so there it is. And there's part 3 of this, so you can watch that.